Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking of the Week. And this week is all about making an alligator stew, so be prepared because we're going to take you to the kitchen and show you how it's done. So, let's get started.
We are here in the kitchen with some of these items we've got. We have a knife, a cutting board, a bowl, a measuring cup, 2 pounds of lean of 90% hamburger, a bell pepper, onion, brown sugar, 2 cans of pork and beans, and organic ketchup. So, here we go.
I forgot to mention this, but the guest star that's be cooking this alligator stew is my mom. Cut the top, decore the pepper, wash, dry, slice, and to chop into tiny pieces until it looks like this. Once you have the peppers chopped up, place it in a bowl and then do the onions the same way. But you know the routine. Cut, 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 slice, chop, chop. So you get inside tiny pieces and then put it in a bowl. Mix it all up till it's good. And then move on to the hamburger. You know the routine on the hamburger. We crumple ours up. And while the hamburger is cooking in a skillet, you could go ahead and throw in the peppers and the onions while you mix that in. Now, I don't know what that thing is that my mom's using. I just call it a Hamburger Masher. Tell me if you're looking for this. Good luck.
Water.
You will need a cup of water and then a cup of ketchup to make it look like this. It's like we need to go up a little bit further. Squeeze it in there, squeeze it in there. There. Now we've got it. Once you've got that done, go ahead and pour it into the mix. Make sure you get all of it. Stir it and then add 2 cans of pork and beans. And then add the brown sugar.
And when you put this in, it's just brown sugar to taste. Okay. Usually it suggests a fourth of a cup or less. But I just put it in to taste.
In other words, use your judgment. Stir everything up, and there you have it. Alligator stew with the help of my mom. Looks good, doesn't it? Even with bread and butter. Let me know in the comments down below and what you thought of that. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, or at least try to make it, or just even find it helpful, give me a big fat thumbs up and stay tuned to more of these videos. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications for more videos will be on the way. Until next time, bye!